And hello there, Ganda fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai exclusive. We have the RMS 154 Barzam. This is from Advance of Xeon reboot version. Yes, so as you can see here in the box art, it is really PBandai, where it has a monotone colored box art. We have the mobile suit here, Barzam, which is actually created by the Titans to replace the GMs. And off to the side, we just see RMS Barzam, the using reboot. Yeah, same thing on the side. And that's it for the box art. And let's see what's inside the box. So first off, what we can see here is one bag with with two sprues. Light blue or aqua, I don't know, yeah, something that color. Saber beam effect in yellow. Another bag with light gray and pink, pure pink that is. Another bag with two sticker sheet, a full sticker sheet and a dry transfer, a dry sticker. Same blue color. Multicolored sprues here, two of them. Last bag is that light gray again. And of course, since this is the regular PBandai stuff, we have the PBandai version of the instruction manual, wherein it's not colored and everything is just instructions. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. And first off, we have the A1 sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some black, we have some red, and some yellowish orange. We're in parts of the shoulder, parts of the hips. That's all that I can see here. So that's the A1 sprue. It also actually has an A2, which is another multicolored sprue, but this time it's only all black and that yellowish orange color. Follow that, we have two B1 sprues here, which is on gray, and yeah, most of it are parts for the limbs, mobility and stuff. Yep, the hinges. It also has a B2, which I guess this is part for the backpack, I guess. Yeah, a B2. And not only that, now this is very evident, this is the B3, and this is I think the backpack, chest, hands. Yep. And we have a C1, which is the armor, colored blue, aqua blue, I think a darker blue, yeah, if you can see here in the camera. So that's the C1. Most of it is, I think, for the armor. It also comes with a C2 with the same color, and again, that's for the armor. We also have a D. There we go. I think this is just for the eyepiece. And of course, the SB13, which is a saber parts effects, and instead of red, it's yellow. And despite having good color separation already, sometimes PBandai has some false stickers, but just very minimal one. We have here some false stickers for the Barzam. And we have some dry transfers. Here we go. I think this is for the emblems of the Titans. Yeah, as you can see it, this is Titans. Yeah, because they are the producer or manufacturer of the Barzam. And there you have it, Ganda fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the RMS 154 Barzam, which is an Advance of Xeon reboot version. Again, this is from the manga, and it's a PBandai. So again, this was built by the Titans. There are actually Earth Federation forces. And this is Mr. War saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.